Welcome to this edition of Northeast Rider Video Magazine. In this edition, in our garage series, we are visiting the town of New Britain, Connecticut, to take a look at this true American classic truck from the 1940s era.
This is 1949 Chevy truck and the Maro 4100.
4100.
And the Maro and the crank dump.
Tell us a little bit of the story of how you actually found this truck.
Oh, I find it in this truck because two young businessmen buy it in the property in Middletown and move this truck to New Britain in parking truck. And I'm see was the and I'm interested in this truck.
Yeah.
And I'm asked a few times, you be selling this truck?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And next time asking a few more times, say, oh, you be sell it or not? And next these two guys say, okay, I'm give you this truck back, and you want this truck back to life.
They want you to restore the truck.
Yeah, I'm restored it in the 3.5 years, spending a lot of time and a lot of money.
Yeah.
Sometimes after work I go, sometimes stay till 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Some days I'm doing Clara, some days no progress.
Yeah. So a lot of the restoration, well, first of all, this truck was actually a garage or a barn find. You found it in a garage, unrestored.
Yes.
Okay, and then you took this and then you went through the restoration process. And a lot of the work, I understand, you did yourself.
Yes, 80% I'm doing for myself.
Wow, that's something.
Yeah.
And it took you 3 years.
3.5 years.
3.5 years to get it to where we see it today, which is basically brand new showroom condition.
Yeah, because I'm trying again make it everything nice, everything good, and good quality. Spending double time will make it better.
Okay. Well, we're going to take a closer look at this beautiful truck today. Please stay with us and join us for this walkthrough on this beautiful American classic Chevy truck from the 1949.
This truck before have a color red fire, and I'm like a little bit darker, and now put it a red cherry. Front bumpers before looks in the rusting, Lara rust, and I give it to rechrome it and sand it and make it in the new chrome. And the first was the processor looks, put it in the acid tank and put it in the copper and next nickel, and last time put it in the chrome. Before I'm no idea what kind of color seats because only spring. See. No seats, because I'm looking in the many magazine. I see what the color looks by match. Interior and the seat and the carpet looks very bad. Carpet, almost no carpet, only sheets metal, and the seats you see in the spring. And I'm give it to one place with the make it new seats and all frames for the seats. Make it in the power coding, or this looks nice paint, everything, and interior put another company make it new cover, new seats. Oh, this is in the lights on and off. This is in the instrument where they put it the gauges or the the temperature, how much gas, battery, and oil pressure. This is in the speedometer, 80 miles per hour. This is in the choke. And this is what you start in the have a higher RPM, and I'll show you what I put it key. See this, gauge go, and what you want to start it, push this button in the floor. See?
That's how it started.
Yeah, start it in the floor. See, and lights, everything go, and the gauges you looks, everything in the works now. This truck used for the farm and the farm delivery stuff for the store or something good. Okay. This is in the crank, what they use, put it this area, and this is in the direction, which one way you want to put it, see? See, and then look, click, and go, and easy, not hard. See, go. Yeah. Okay, almost done. This is the safety what you like. this pin lock with the nothing dumped. But you want to move it down, you be move it, you be doing this way because this is looks in the brakes of the car. I'll show you because this will push it down and stop. You look, see?
So if this truck...
See? You want to stop, not use the crank.
So VTech, why don't you show us the engine?
Okay, I'll show you in the engine. This engine and the 216 single barrel carburetor, glass gas filter, and this engine have only 93 horsepower.
93 horsepower.
And transmission have a 4-speed transmission, and rear end 1-speed.
I meant to ask you, is this gasoline?
Gasoline.
Gasoline.
Regular gas. Because this engine, I'm give it a review because I'm having this truck. I'm start the engine make it a funny noise. And the 4 cylinders and the barrel bearing in the not correct and make it a lot of damage. Or I'm take off of engine and I'm give it to a link for to one company or the doing review and the old engine and make it engine same time and review in the clutch. Same clutch, only I'm sending to review in the clutch.
So we have some copper on this, right, VTech?
Yes, copper over fluid, and this one dipstick, how much you have antifreeze inside with the jacket.
Hey, so VTech, can we hear this thing run? Start it up.
Yeah, okay, I'm start the engine.
So we're going to take a ride in this 1949 Chevy 4100 series.
Yeah.
Start her up, the VTech.
Okay, gauges and push the.
Look at that.
Okay, and
The truck rides like it's new.
yeah,
It's unbelievable.
and quiet. Okay,
So how many speed is this truck? What is it?
4 speed.
4 speed.
4 speed. I'm driving in the highway 45, 50. Because this engine don't like it high RPM.
Right, it's low gearing.
Yeah. Because this is old generation, everything. I make it, everything same time was the manufacturing make it.
You figure this was used on a farm back in the 40s, 50s.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is
Hauled a lot of cow manure and probably hay and farm
everything.
supplies.
oh yeah.
Cows, who knows what they could get.
Never know. A lot of stuff.
What part of the Britain are we driving in now? This is like the downtown area?
And no, this is not the downtown.
Historical?
Yeah.
So VTEX, where have you driven this truck? Have you brought it to a lot of shows?
I'm go many shows. This year I'm go not too many. 2 years ago I'm go every car show because 1 year in the coronavirus was then I'm not go.
So this is not power steering, huh?
No power steering, no power brakes.
Do you see a lot of trucks like this on the road now?
No.
People restore them?
This one I don't see, only I see pickup truck. Pickup truck I see many. This type I never see.
No.
No. Because this is different and everybody would see, say, wow, what a beautiful truck.